What up out there, y'all, man? This right here is my 2006 GSX-R 1000. It's gonna be my review on it right here. Had it for about like almost a week now. Been riding it a little bit. Y'all see the previous videos, man. Me riding a little bit, and I did a video when I first got it, like a mystery bike type thing. Yeah, this is it right here though, man. This is my review right here. The only other bike I had before this was a 06 GSX-R 600, which is pretty much almost exact same body. I think that's why I like this bike right here so much, man. To me, it feels like, almost feels like the exact same bike when I'm riding. Just feels a tad bit big. Like the bike don't even feel that much bigger than the 600 is. It's the tank it feel like it's a little bit wider. That's about it. Other than that, man, it feels almost like the exact same bike. So if anybody want to know, if anybody has this question right here, like saying like, oh, I got a 600, I don't know if I should upgrade to 1000, I don't know if I'll be able to ride 1000. Yes, go for it. It's gonna be just like riding a 600, just a little bit more power. It's only gonna do what you give to it anyway. If you twist that throttle, it's gonna move. She's gonna go. But hey, but it feels good. It's no harder, no easier. It's just about the same thing, man. Almost about the same weight. People think it's gonna be a lot heavier. Nah, it's about the exact same weight too. Feels good. But this right here is mine. This is the stock OEM plastics and fairs on it right here. See the tank right there. And she's clean, man. Got some chrome wheels on it. It's the gray and black. Got the 1000 on it right there. Right there. We'll be changing up a little bit, but as I said in my previous video when I first got it, got the HIDs and headlights there. Got the smoked out headlight lens, and also with the turn signals and the mirrors that smoked out. Tinted bubble screen there. Trying to think what else this bike right here got done to it, and the tinted out tail light here and signal lights there. So them jumps tinted out. Thinking about getting another muffler for it. I'll probably get another exhaust for it, and I don't know if I'll probably ride it like this for the rest of the year, but I do want to change the plastics on it. Change up the color, man. Just because a couple people I know be like, oh, I remember my buddy had a bike look just like this. You know what I mean? There's a couple people saying like, because these right here, there's a lot of GSX-R 1000s this year. Like the 05 and 06 came with this color right, plastics right here on it. So I think I'm gonna change up the plastics maybe next year on it. I don't know for sure yet. But this is mine right here, man. This is what I've got right now, what I'm riding right now at the moment, and it's fun though. I love it. And it rides just like my 600 that I had, just a little bit more power. You twist that throttle, she will move. I've been riding here a little bit, man. If anybody know, I do a lot of off-road riding, like four-wheel and dirt bike. I be doing wheelies and stuff on that. I didn't really do too many wheelies on my 600, but here when I was riding this bike, man, it's so easy to do a wheelie. I twist the throttle, she lifting straight up. It's Monday when I'm recording this video, right? I think this Wednesday will be like a week I had this bike, but I was riding it just last Friday, man. I was really rode it all day Friday, and everywhere I went at, man, I'm just doing a wheelie ride with me and my buddies and stuff. It was wheeling everywhere. It's crazy. But it's fun though. It's fun though. Yeah, but make sure y'all check out those videos, man. Video while I first got this bike, and the video while I did my first ride on it on 1000 here though. Check that joint out. Both them videos should be up right now. Right now, the only thing that's different that I don't like, which I'm about to change as soon as I get to this video, these levers right here. If anybody remember on my 600, I put my shorties up there. I love them shorties. Actually, it's almost like the same levers as on my girlfriend's bike right here. These shorties right here. Ordered me some. They are in the house right now. They came today, so as soon as I get done this video, I'm about to throw them on right there. Make another video putting them on. But yeah, other than that though, man, I love it though. Ain't got no complaints. Oh yeah, check out, got a video of me. I did a review on my girlfriend's bike. I did a review when she first got it and a review after she customized. So make sure y'all check out both of them videos. Yeah, man. I'm gonna get back to motor vlogging and stuff too, though. Yeah, man. It's just a quick video. I just want to show y'all what it looked like. My thoughts on the GSX-R 1000. I may do some more reviews here later when I get to riding a little bit more, taking it on some longer trips. I have I think the longest trip I've taken on was almost about an hour so far though, but I've ridden enough here for the past couple of days though. I ran a tank of gas out of it already. So yeah, we've been on the road. We've been getting it dirty. Yeah, man. Next couple of videos gonna be some changes coming, man. I'm changing out these levers, maybe make new exhausts. Yeah, I might do some more little other stuff this year too, but other than that, there's gonna be some motor vlogs and videos like that coming out for the bike. And some probably gonna see these two bikes right here a lot riding together, so make sure to be on the lookout for them videos. But other than that though, man, this is it right here. This is my 2006 GSX-R 1000. Gone. If anybody wanting to see the rebuild of my garage in process right now, I got a first video that's up right now. Y'all can go check that out. It's on my other page. Make sure y'all check that page out, the DDP experience. You see the first part of this rebuild right here was like just the tear down right now. Just tore everything down, clean everything up out of it, got the car and got the bikes and everything out of it though. Make sure y'all check that video out. Subscribe to that channel also.